What's up YouTube? This is a quick video to show you how to back up and restore your settings and configuration for Atom text editor. So let's jump right in. What you'll need is this package right here. It's called Sync Settings. I've gone ahead and installed it already just to save us time, but once you've got it, you want to go into the settings, and here's the information that we're going to need to actually create. Mine are already in here. I'm going to go ahead and block them out so you can't see that, but what we'll need is a personal access token and a just ID. So in order to get those things, you're going to need to go to github.com. If you don't have an account, go ahead and create one. It's free, and if you already have one, go ahead and get logged in. Once you're logged in, you're going to come up here to the top right hand corner, click on the little arrow there and go down to settings. From settings, you're going to come down on the left side to personal access tokens, and remember that's exactly what we needed. So what you'll do is create a new token, and you can call it whatever you want. I chose to call mine Atom Backup, but you can call it whatever you want. And the biggest piece is to do this right here. Ignore the rest of this. All you need to do is come down and click Gist here and create generate token. And there's my token right there. You're going to copy the token, you're going to take it back to Atom and paste it in right here where it says personal access token. Then last step is to come up here to where it says gist, and we'll need to create a new gist. This is actually where Atom is going to store the file, is in your GitHub account. So you can call this again whatever you want. Say Atom Backup, and then you can't save it if there's nothing in here, so you can really put whatever you want. I'm just going to put any character just so that I'm able to save this. Big thing here is, just like your public key, you want to keep this gist ID secret as well. So just to be safe, create a secret gist. Once you've created the gist, you're going to be able to grab your gist ID, and your gist ID shows up right here up at the top. It's the very end of the URL, that big long string of numbers and letters there. So copy that and take that back to Atom as well and paste it in where it says gist ID. There's no save or anything like that, so once those are in there, you're going to go up here to packages and synchronize settings, and you're going to click backup, and then you should see a success message come up here in the top right hand corner, which we just got. So your settings were successfully backed up. Click here to open your gist, which would actually take us to GitHub. So next thing, I'm going to pause the video real quick, hop over to my new machine, and show you how to do a restore of what we just backed up. So see you guys in a second. Alright guys, we're back on the new machine. You can see we've got a new install of Atom here. We've got the welcome screen, so I'm just going to close this out to give myself some more room to work. We're going to go to Atom and Preferences, or Command, comma, to get there. You're going to go to Install. This is the package we're looking for here, Sync Settings. We're going to go ahead and click Install. I'm going to pause while this installs, and I'll be right back. Alright, so Sync Settings is installed. You'll get this nice scary looking error message here, but all it's telling us is what we already know, is that we need our gist ID and our personal access token that we got earlier in the video. So I'm going to click on this. This will take me right where we need to put that information, and you can see right here we've got personal access token and gist ID. So go ahead and take those, copy my personal access token, pop it in there, and copy my gist ID, paste it in there. There's no save or anything, so once those are in there, all you have to do is come up here to packages, synchronize settings. The last time we did a backup, so this time pretty straightforward. We want to do a restore, right? So we'll click that. Up in the top right hand corner, you'll notice start to get some messages regarding the packages. So I'm going to pause. This takes a couple of minutes depending on how many packages and themes you have. So I'm going to pause this and come back here in just a moment. Alright, so depending on your internet speed, and again the number of packages and themes you have, that can take some time, but eventually up in this corner you'll see a success message. Once you see that message, a really important part here is you actually have to restart Atom. So go ahead and quit out completely and reopen Atom. You should see all your packages, themes, and whatever else you may have had installed, your configuration settings, and you'll see a nice message that your latest backup is already applied. So just to confirm, you can come up here to Atom and Preferences, or File, Preferences if you're on Windows. Go to Packages, and by default you won't have any community packages. Those are your third-party packages. I've only got 7. I don't like to keep a ton on here. I like to keep it lightweight, but they are installed. My custom theme is installed. I like the SETI UI theme, and Monakai for the syntax themes. So if you guys enjoyed the video, give it a like and subscribe for more similar videos, and we'll see you guys soon. Take care.